Hello friends, my name is Syed Reza Fattahzadeh and I have 20 years of experience in the automation field. I am excited to introduce you my new course, Advanced Siemens PLC Programming with TIA Portal Masterclass. This course is designed for students and engineers who already understand PLC fundamentals and basic TIA Portal programming and are ready to move to the next level. The course narration, preparation of training materials, and testing of all practical projects were professionally carried out by my engineering teammate, Wahid, whose excellent work helped make this course clear, practical, and easy to follow. During 16 practical lessons and nearly 3 hours of dedicated training, you will learn advanced techniques used in real industrial applications. We start with project migration and version management, including upgrading projects from TIA Portal version 16 to version 20 and running several TIA Portal versions on the same computer. You will then discover advanced data structures such as UDTs, data structures, arrays, optimized and non-optimized data blocks, I/O mapping techniques, and the powerful generic variable type. The course also covers advanced programming topics, including OB80 fault handling, cause and effect matrix CEM programming, structured control language or SCL, and Siemens graph programming by means of multiple hands-on examples. In addition, you will learn how to avoid common PLC math errors by properly using integer, real, and LReal data types, perform real-time signal analysis with the trace tool, and manage Siemens HMI backup, restore, and USB project downloads. If you are ready to enhance your Siemens PLC skills and learn professional programming techniques used in modern automation systems, I look forward to seeing you inside the course. Whether you are preparing for your profession or enhancing your expertise, this course offers invaluable hands-on experience that will set you apart. I am looking forward to seeing you in the course and helping you master PLC programming through practical, engaging projects. Join me on this journey to take your skills to the next level.